Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we dey waka for inside this environment. So we don't waka for other streets only for this area. Right now we don't enter another street wey they call Emovon. That's the name of this street. This street now one of our person give us this street say make we waka for inside this street. And one thing when I come find out na say this street dey get lots of erosion issue like during rainy season. This street dey always dey get erosion issue. So right now we don come dis street now say make we come check out dis street. Dis street na im dem dey call Emovon, na im dem dey call dis street, and na one of our person na im give us dis street say make we waka for inside dis Emovon street, and we see say dis street get lot of erosion issue. Like right now the street e no straight, like e just dey bumpy like like e just dey shake. So we dey waka for dis environment and we come dis Emovon now. So I want to thank you very much to you wey give us dis Emovon street say make we waka for inside dis street. So right now we don come inside dis street. Right now we dey see say dis street now say e no too dey okay, e dey face lots of challenges na im dis street dey face. So I wan say a big up, like here now local dog for inside dis street. So we dey see say dis environment now say road no even too dey for people to really pass, and dis road just dey bumpy like right now e dey make me really dey shake because of how bumpy dis road really be. So and the thing na say the sound for dis road dey dey very soft, like e dey very soft. So you go know say dis environment say e dey pass erosion. You see say dis environment now say e dey pass erosion issue, really dey affect dis area. So dis street one just dey so na im dem dey call Emovon. So dis street e start from, e be like close when e for start, if that area no too dey okay. So we dey waka now and dis street e come go end for Eweka, na im dis Emovon for come go end Eweka. And also say we also dey waka for another street wey dey call Dosuma street. We also dey waka for inside that street. Now we dey see how bumpy dis street be and how the road really be for here. So I want to say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time when you come Heartbeat Info, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you never come before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we dey for this street wey dey call Emovon, and now one of our person na give us this street say make we waka for inside this Emovon. So I want to thank you very much to you when give us this street. Say I want to thank you very much. So you know, personally speaking, I not to know road for inside Benin like that. Like I know even know road before. Because I never know road before at all. But because of this waka now, I call know some roads. And when you tell me where I go pass now, I'll call you know some environment where I suppose really waka pass. So I want to thank you very much. Say you suggest this road to me. This road won't just the reach, so then they call Iyama Street. This street, we don't waka this pass this street small. Then we wan waka for Akugbe. Don't forget say we don't waka for one street wey they call Akugbe for inside this environment. So now this Emovon, na here one cross over. So you don cross over now, this place na still Emovon street. So you see say this Emovon street na long street for inside this area. But the street con go end for Eweka street because inside this environment now get one street wey dey call Eweka street na very popular street for inside here because keke napep dey pass that street well well. But this street now keke napep no dey pass am, so this street no be really popular street for inside this environment. And if you dey come this place, I find out say na charter na you go charter the keke napep or you go stop for junction then trek reach your house. So we dey see say dis street dey pass lot of challenges, and because of that one you get to see say many of the houses for here say you no really get to see new houses for here. Most of the houses wey dey for here na old houses except maybe one or two, but most of the houses for this place are old houses, and you go see say this place now dey face lot of erosion issue. So we dey see say most of the houses, all dis most of the street for this place say dem never tar dem, and the street you see say bush dey for the street. Like many of the road wey dey pass for inside Benin now, we dey see say the road no too dey, like the road dey okay, like dem don clear am. But this Emovon now you see say grass dey full the road. Wetin e mean na say cars no dey too pass this road because anywhere wey cars dey pass na im we dey see say this house now, we see say dem don abandon this house. You see how much say this area dey face lot of erosion issue. And right now rain never start for inside Benin oo, but very soon because rain don dey fall small small, like maybe once a week, twice a week, or mostly once a week, but rain never start steadily. So we dey hope say before rain go start say many streets for inside Benin say dem don work on the street. Although say we dey see lot of streets wey dem dey work on, so dey expect say one day say dem go put this Emovon street join the street wey dem dey repair for inside this environment. So we dey see say this lane so dem never still tar this lane, but this lane na go come out for Akugbe. So we dey see how much you know say dats to show say dis environment get erosion issue. You dey see the hill wen person dey climb. So right now the street wey we just dey so na im dem dey call Eweka street. So here na Eweka street here. So we dey see say dis Eweka street dem don tar like some part but dem never tar am finish. So we dey see say maybe let's say dem wan work on dis place. So hopefully before the rain go start say dem don work on dis Eweka. So the next street wey we wan for waka na im be Dosuma street. Dis street e dey dat street just get lot of issue, the Dosuma street. So I just feel say since we don waka for inside the Emovon, make we just still waka for inside the Dosuma, make we just see how the street be for here. So right now we don finish the Emovon street. Right now we dey for Eweka street na im we for dey waka so, and the next street wey we wan waka so na im be Dosuma street. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very very much. Say I really appreciate say you dey dey watch Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very very much. And you wey dey support Heartbeat Info financially, I wan say thank you. Say I really appreciate say you dey support me financially. Say God go bless you. Say thank you very very much. And also so you wey give us dis Emovon, say thank you very much. Say you give us dis street make we waka for inside the Emovon street. And also so you wey dey advise us on how to waka for inside Benin, I wan say thank you very 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 much. Make no forget say na Emovon street na im we just finish just now, and the next street wey we wan for waka so na im dem dey call Dosoma. And dat street get lot of challenges. I just want make we just see am, make we see how dat street really be. So right now we don enter inside the Dosoma street. So we dey see how dis street be. Dis street just see like dat Emovon because e get lot of challenges. So na im we dey see so. So here na Dosoma street. Dis street start from Eweka, e come go end for Okoro. Na im the street for Congo end. So e go end for Okoro street. So we dey see how much this area really look like. This area dey face lot of challenges. Like this environment e dey prone to erosion. So if you dey waka for Okoro now, you no really know say this environment be like this because this street start from Erika but e come go end for Okoro road. Make no forget say we don fit waka for inside the Okoro. So if you wan check am out, just type Okoro, then you go see the Okoro road. Okoro. That's Okhoro. Then you go see the Okoro street. We don fit waka for inside the street. So right now here na we see say dem dey build new house for inside this environment. Maybe because say this side dey closer to Okoro, I feel so. But we dey see say this environment e pass lot of challenges. So dey hope say before the rainy season go really start, say they go try their best to just make dis street dey more better. Because right now we dey waka for inside the Dosuma street. So this street start from Erika, e come go end for Okoro. And also say we don still waka for inside the Emovon. So we dey see we dey see how bumpy this all these roads really be for inside this area. See the road now just dey okay. Dey face lot of challenges. You see grass everywhere because of say cars no dey too pass this road. So we dey hope say the authority say they will try their best to work on this Dosoma street. So the road wey you see for front so na dem dey call Okoro. And we don fit waka for inside this Okoro before. So if you wan check am out, just type Okoro. That's Okhoro. Then you will see this Okoro. So I want to thank you very much to you when you watch out this info. So you see how bumpy this place be now. Say like so I want to thank you very much to you when you watch out this info. Thank you very much, say you support me. I want to thank you very much to you when you give us the move on street. Until we meet again on another walk, have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very much.